Hello guys. Before I have made a video to show you how to cool down your home in this hot summer, which is get very thick curtain to absorb the heat, to stop the heat penetrate the window and go into your home. If you feel that it's still not cool enough, and another one is wet a blanket, put it on the floor. So when you sit down, you put your feet on the wet blanket, you'll feel very cool. Another way is like me today, I just wash a towel and squeeze all the water and then hang my towel on the window. The water still dripping out of the towel, but will make my room cool immediately. It just like create a little waterfall in your room. That it's very good. Like at nighttime, if your room still very hot, you cannot sleep. So you put this up a wet towel, or you can even just wash this whole curtain, a curtain like that, and then squeeze some water out and then hang it up. It will be very cool. So every problem we will have a solution, and it will save your electricity.